Good amplifier need to amplify also good speaker. It's just a natural thing. If you take good amplifier, amplify lousy speaker, the sound also not so good, cannot reach Mariah Carey level. Audison's strategy and Audison's pricing always exceeds the value the customer perceive. And I'm quite sure about it because we've sold and we've auditioned many Audison products. And of course, why am I unboxing this Audison speaker? Because I only like good stuff. It excites me. So I'm gonna tell you why is it so exciting about this speaker over here. So I'm just gonna do an unboxing on this part here. All right. So right. Okay, so this doesn't have a super prestigious feel like high-end speakers does, but like I said, it delivers much more value. It delivers a lot of value for the price that this is. This set of speakers is actually cost less than 1,000 ringgit. Okay, so let's start with the woofers. So this is a 6.5-inch woofer, which is constructed on a very different manner as well. If you look at this ribbed rubber here, right? There's only two brands that use this type of rubber, that I know of, which is Alpine as well as Audison. Right. So you can see that this is also almost like a one-piece construction, though it's not. There's a lot of brands that have a dispersion cone right in the middle. Audison actually does away with that. As you can see, the magnet here is not covered. It doesn't need to be honest, because sometimes you want to show how big is the magnet here. The bigger the magnet, sometimes it means better performance, but not all the time though. So this is directly to your amplifier or to your head unit, and this would be basically to the crossovers. So how does the crossover actually look like? So you will have exactly two pieces of this. Okay, what's the function of the crossover? Is actually to segregate the high and the mid frequencies that is coming out from the Audison speakers. The crossover functions is actually to protect the tweeters, to allow a certain frequency to be only played by the tweeter, while telling the mid woofers, right, to actually play only from perhaps 60 Hz up to 4,500 Hz. Anything above that, the crossover will actually cut it off before sending the signal to the tweeter. So this little crossover here has also another different function where you can have it on the stock function, which is 0 decibels, and if you want to increase the power to the tweeters, or you want to increase the sharpness or the details on the tweeters, right, you can adjust this little crossover here to plus 2 decibels, right, and that will actually increase the detail. Some people enjoy the sharpness of the music or the sound, right? They can actually do small little changes from this particular crossover, right? So after installing the crossover, then it will be connected to the tweeters. These tweeters, I would consider it as a warm tweeter. This has a code of the Audison AP1, right? It's basically a 4-ohm tweeter. These tweeters are manufactured with fabric. I would say a mix of silk and other type of soft type of material to create this tweeter. So these tweeters are actually naturally warm. Won't be too harsh on the ear, it won't be too sharp to the ears as well, especially on their mid-range product that is affordable to most people, right? They made it really balanced because this can play from Hits FM type of music all the way to Man Yao type of music. If you needed a lot of bass, I don't know, hip-hop, trance, you name it, this particular speaker will play it with an A score. And also one thing to highlight about is that this is, I would consider it as a slim profile. Of course, it's not a super slim type of woofer over here, but you can basically install this in almost any car. Even though with a very slim door trim, you can actually be able to fit this speaker in. Okay, so it also comes with this speaker cover. Alright, it comes in a set with the speaker cover, right? Because some of the installers or some of the customers would prefer this speaker grill to actually be installed together with this, so it makes the aesthetics of it to look like this, right? It's not necessary, but they just included it in case that you guys want to use it as well. So there's not much function on this. It's mostly aesthetic, or sometimes to replace an old door speaker that comes with this type of grills, you might want to do that. Okay, so out of curiosity, this is basically, if this is the left side or right side, then this will be the right side or the left side. So if you ever want something that is on the mid-range level and you don't mind paying a little bit more and allow these two amp and these speakers to exceed your expectations, right? You know where to go to, right? Just drop me a message or drop Xcite Audio a message, get onto our website, consult with us, whichever way you want to do. The whole idea of this is for you to reach out to us. So this is Chris Yap here from Xcite Audio. I hope you enjoy our video. So please help us to like, share, comment and subscribe, and then we shall see you on the next video.